What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so y'all, in today's video, we're going to be working with Luvme hair. I've worked with this company, I believe, a couple times before, and I've never had any type of bad hair from them or anything like that. But y'all, this hair, I don't think I ever had curly hair from them. Never. I've always received straight hair. This curly hair right here, at first, honestly, I'm like, okay, first of all, how am I about to do a side part? Because it already came with a side part, y'all. It came with a side part already. So I'm like, how am I about to do a side part with a closure? I feel like, I don't know, I've always felt like side part with closures are so weird. But y'all, today, I swear this is my first time ever doing a side part with a closure. I would have never thought like it would have came out as if it's a regular frontal, y'all. This is really giving frontal, and it's glueless, y'all. This wig is glueless. We ain't gluing down no closures. Like, what? Nah. This is a 14-inch kinky curly wig. And once again, I was kind of skeptical about short curly hair. And I feel like this is like a natural curly hair length. Like, my mom just came in the bathroom and was like, you cut your hair? This wig is really giving natural. Like, it's making me feel and look so coolly. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I really feel like this is my natural hair. I feel like now I should cut. No, stop. I'm not even gonna start talking that nonsense. I've never ever had a problem with Luvme lace blending. Like, they lace is always thin. It blends very, very nicely. I didn't glue this down, y'all. I didn't spray this down. All I did was apply got to be glued on my edges, and that's it. Like, literally. This wig literally just did the job for me. Like, I honestly didn't have to do nothing but my edges and fix my part. Because the straight part, I wasn't really jacking. Like, I don't know. I never really liked straight parts. Even with my natural hair, I love curved parts. So, this wig, I can honestly say, I know y'all get tired when I say this and I do so much extra stuff in the video. But this wig is honestly beginner friendly. And it comes with a band inside already. So, you don't really have to do no adjustment. This wig, I can honestly say, is beginner friendly. And I think this is like probably one of the shortest videos on my page, because it's like I literally did nothing. The wig come already done. All I did was slap it on my head and add edges. Honestly, I didn't even have to add edges. You guys know I'm an edge girl, so I need my edges. If I don't have edges, I feel weird. So edges. Also, they're plucking. They always pluck so good. So honestly, I didn't really have to do much plucking. I just went in, you know, did a little 1 2 1 2. But other than that, y'all, like I said, Luvme hair literally comes beginner friendly. So if you guys are interested in the same exact wig, all the details will be down below. Let's just one more time for this hair. Dude, it's so full. So bouncy. It's literally giving natural, like, and I like the big look. And the curls is mad soft. The curls is mad soft, y'all. Mad soft. You can probably tell from the video. The curls is mad soft. I barely got any tingling in it. But nah, yeah, I highly recommend Luvme hair. I'm sweating right now, so the hair is like kind of sticking to my forehead. Like, it's hot with all these lights on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.